Kubernetes Security, 6 Best Practices for 4C Security Model. The most widely used orchestrator for scaling and deploying containerized apps in production is Kubernetes. Although Kubernetes makes it simple to launch new workloads, this ease of use has a downside because the system isn't secure by default, putting your clusters and users in danger. Attacks on containers are increasing, and vulnerable Kubernetes setups attract attackers. Fortunately, by following a few recommended practices, you can safeguard your clusters. If you intentionally put safeguards in place around your deployments, you can use containers in production without worrying about security. In this video, we will discuss some best practices that can help you secure your Kubernetes environment. These steps help harden your environment to minimize your attack surface and defend against incoming threats. Implementing them all will give you the greatest protection by restricting network activity, encrypting data at rest, and preventing vulnerable workloads from reaching your cluster. 1. Use RBAC. 2. Protect the control plane. 3. Harden your nodes. 4. Add network security policies. 5. Use pod-level security features. 6. Harden your workloads. Kubernetes network security is critical for protecting your environment and ensuring that your applications remain secure. By following these best practices, you can create a more secure and resilient Kubernetes deployment. Thank you for watching.